Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today, in this video, we are going to repair this 43-inch Samsung Edge Type LED TV. This TV came in for repair with a half-display black shade problem. See friends, this is the fault. This is a Samsung Smart TV, and here you can see the model number. This TV uses an Edge-type backlight system, with LED strips installed on both the left and right sides of the panel frame. We have already opened the TV back cover before starting the repair. Now, let's power on the TV to confirm the fault. See friends, among these two edge backlights, only one side is working. While the other side is completely off. Because of this, half of the display appears dark. So, let's start the repair work. See friends, here you can clearly see that most of the LEDs are already burned. In this condition, repairing individual LEDs is not reliable. So, the best solution is to replace both backlight strips with new ones. Here we have purchased brand new backlight strips. Now, let's install them. Finally, friends, the new backlights are installed successfully. Now, in this condition, we will carefully reinstall the panel, diffuser sheets, and panel frame, and assemble everything back into the TV. See friends, now all the sockets and connectors are properly connected. Let's power on the TV and check the picture. And yes, friends, the display is crystal clear now, and the problem is completely solved. So that's it for today's repair. Hope you like our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And press the bell icon to get further notifications. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.